So hi guys, good morning. So guys, maaga ako ngayon. I'm here in the mall, Manila, and I'm going to buy the internet plug because my husband break the plug. So, take a look guys. It's not so many people yet. Yan. Kasi maaga ako dahil mas maganda yun para wala akong pila. O diba guys? Kasi day off pa rin ngayon. And then tomorrow, I'm going back to work. Oh, it's still close the Media Mark. Maybe they're going to open around 10. So, tingnan ko muna uli. Ayan guys, oh. Wala pang tao. Oh. Konti lang yun dun sa restaurant. Kakape, breakfast. At saka yung iba, ito oh. Yan, dito ako pupunta guys.